Hey everyone, it's Laurie, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to make a statement with a bold pink dress. Whether it's for a date night, a special event, or just when you want to feel extra confident, this tight-fitting pink dress is a total showstopper. The thin straps and scoop neckline make it super flattering, giving you a feminine and elegant look. The body-hugging fit accentuates your curves, and the bright pink color instantly lifts your mood and makes you stand out in the best way possible. Now, if you want to elevate this look even more, you can pair it with sleek heels, a delicate clutch, and some simple gold jewelry to keep things chic yet effortless. This dress is all about confidence, so wear it with pride. Thanks for tuning in today. Let me know in the comments how you would style this bold piece, and I'll see you next time.